this Devontae White, sir?
Yes.
Okay, turn on your camera for me, please. All right, Mr. White, you got a hat on right now or a scarf? Can you take that off for me, please? Okay, just for a brief time, okay?
Yes.
Handle your matter in a moment. Let me check in these two other folks real quick, okay? iPhone P, what's your name?
Charles Wells. Hello?
Hello, I hear you. Hold on a minute.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank you, I appreciate it. All right, Mr. Wells.
All right.
All right, put yourself on mute, okay?
Okay.
Wallace, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you. And then I also have, I'm still trying to connect the audio. Okay. Now calling the court reporter. I know we talked, but I just want to make sure you're here.
Yes, ready, Judge.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Devontae Deshaun White. This is ticket number 718680. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel first, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Bajoka appearing on behalf of Mr. White.
Mr. White, can you state your name? Now, Mr. White, you just popped on. I'm calling your case immediately, and you looking up at the TV. Please focus for this hearing that's going to last all of 2 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Say your name for the record, please, sir.
Devontae White.
Thank you. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, I spoke with counsel for the city. They're moving to dismiss this case with a stipulation of probable cause. We so stipulate and ask the court follow that motion and dismiss the case, or both cases, right. I should say.
Okay. At this time, the court is going to honor that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice because of the stipulation made with you and counsel for the city. All right, Mr. White, you're all set. Thank your attorney. He waited patiently this morning for you to get on and took care of this business. So you make sure attorney for that. Okay, sir?
I appreciate it.
All right. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you all very much.
Thank you.
Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too.
Of course. Thank you, attorney, for your patience this morning. I tried to get you out as quickly as I could when you came.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. You have a great rest of your day. All right. Bye. Bye, Mr. White. Good luck to you.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Wells, I'm going to put you into what's called a breakout room so that you can talk to the attorney of record today. His name is Attorney Balkman. He has to do everybody, and I have quite a few people, so you're going to need to be patient, but he's going to come in there and talk to you. So just hold tight, okay?
Appreciate it, Your Honor.
Right, no problem. You're room 18, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Mr. George, please do, sir. All right. Nakia Wells, I'm going to put you into the waiting room until I'm ready, okay? All right, let me work on this guy. Connect to audio.
I'll call him next to work.
iPhone.
Yeah, my phone had my service had cut off. I had to come back in.
Okay, what's your name, sir?
Wednesday Ward.
Wednesday Ward.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't hear what you said at first. All right, Mr. Ward, I'm gonna put you back into the room. I think you were in room, let's see.
I think
room
18.
18?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna put somebody in there. I'm gonna put you in room 19, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning, Alexa. How are you doing today?
Good morning, Your Honor. Happy Friday Eve.
Yes, happy Friday Eve of a long weekend. We appreciate it. I know. Attorney James needs to talk to you about her case for today. So I'm gonna put you two into a room so that y'all can talk. And room, it doesn't have to be as far down. You can do 2 or you can do 30, your choice. You have co-host powers.
Perfect. I will
Okay.
take you with me to 30, Attorney James.
Okay. Yep, she's on mute, but she said okay. Cool. There you go, sir. Can you hear us now?
Yes,
Okay, fantastic. Thank you. What's your name, sir?
Herschel Williams.
Okay, Mr. Williams. Let me find your name. Okay, Herschel. Thank you for reading my note.
No, I really didn't see it. I'm trying to, I'm trying to learn how to do this.
You are doing fantastic, okay? And everybody, you're not the only person who doesn't know how to do this, okay? So you did good, okay? All right, I'm now gonna put you into what's called a breakout room so that you can talk to the attorney of record today. It's gonna be a little while. So if you need to connect to outlets to make sure you have enough power in your phone, you might wanna do that, okay?
Right now, I'm not at home, but I got 80%.
Okay, you should be all right. You should be good, okay? So I'm gonna have him come and talk to you. He moves pretty quickly, so he should be in there to talk to you pretty soon, okay? I'm gonna put you into breakout room number 20, okay? And I'll remember that when I call you back in so I can get you out as soon as possible, okay?
All right, so what I need to do is just hold this phone, just wait on you.
Yep, you're gonna wait on hearing Attorney Balkman. He's gonna come in the room and he's gonna talk to you. And so in a moment, it's gonna ask you to select the breakout room, pick that breakout room and just wait in there until he talks to you, okay?
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, all right, cool. I'm glad. So pick 20, pick room 20 and he'll be in there to talk to you, okay?
All right, so I hit join again.
Yep, hit that join for me. All right. All right, Mr. White, I'm gonna put you into the waiting room until I'm ready to talk to you, okay?
Okay,
Attorney James, did you need to talk to your client or are you ready?
Judge, I'm ready.
Okay. And Mr. Whitmore, you can unmute yourself for me. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Fred Whitmore Jr. Ticket number SP 144469991. This is one count violation of firearms ordinance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nicole James appearing on behalf of Mr. Whitmore.
And Mr. Whitmore, can you state your name for the record, please?
Fred Whitmore.
All right, how are we proceeding today?
Judge, I've had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney, and at this point, we're going to set this or ask it to be set for a bench trial.
All right, if that's the case, sir, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney? That would have been your attorney about your case and about your rights. Oh, thank you. Okay.
Judge, I probably should talk to him briefly in a breakout room. Because we've spoken before, yesterday, but not today.
But not today?
Yeah, not today.
All right. Let me have you, just briefly, that way it won't take too long. I know you don't want to do. All right, Mr. Moore, I'm gonna put you into breakout room number 2. Join that. Your attorney wants to talk to you just for a moment, okay? Join that room for me, please, and I'll put you in here too.
Okay.
Mr. Wallace, did you talk to the attorney already?
Yeah, I did. And while I was waiting to see the judge, this Wi-Fi and stuff messing up over here.
Okay, all right.
So I had to kick me out and get back in.
It's okay. I'll put you back in the waiting room though. So he's still talking to folks, so just hold tight, okay?
Okay.
Ready to go back on the record, Attorney James?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Back on the record in the matter of the People versus Fred Whitmore. This matter was called already. We took a brief moment so that counsel could talk to her client just for a second. Appearances once again for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Nicole James, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Whitmore, Your Honor.
And Mr. Whitmore, state your name once more for me, please.
Fred Woodmore.
All right. Mr. Whitmore, you're still under oath at this time. I was asking you, did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and your rights? Have you done that, sir?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. The witnesses will have to appear in order to make a case for this. And you can bring any witnesses that you had as well. You understand that, Mr. Whitmore?
Yes.
All right. My bench trial date is November 8th, Attorney James. Does that work for you? If not, let me know.
1 second, Judge.
Okay.
Judge, what's your next date beyond that?
Want me to go back or forward?
Either. Can we do it on the 7th? Can we do it on? Unless you have an earlier date than that, but
I did do a November 1st and that wasn't too bad. Does that work for you?
Yep, that works.
All right, November 1st. I have another attorney coming in that day, and so I don't have tons of stuff. So we'll do it November the 1st at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. Is that okay for everybody?
That's fine with me, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Whitmore, that means that you're the same way you logged on today. That's how you will log on for your bench trial. It'll be via Zoom, so you don't have to physically come down here, okay?
Okay.
All right, and I'll set your bond at $0. I'll see you November the 1st at 9 a.m. via Zoom for your bench trial, okay, sir?
All right.
Okay,
All right,
thank you.
Huh?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, you're all set. Thank you. Good luck
Mr.
with
Whitmore.
whatever matters you have over there, okay?
Thank you. I appreciate it. Good to see you.
All right, no problem.
Mr. Whitmore, I'll call you later on today.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And you can just hit leave and leave meeting.
Yeah, just FYI, this is the first person I ever shadowed when I became an attorney. Yep, I remember that. I remember all the conversations we had too. I'll keep those off the record.
Right.
Bye.
Have a good one.
You too. Mr. Watkins, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Wimberly, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until I'm ready, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, thank you. Mr. Womack, did you talk to the attorney already?
Yes.
Okay, I'll put you back in the waiting room. I just wasn't sure. iPhone, glasses on. No, you're not connected yet.
Beautiful Juan Walker.
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
Juan Walker.
Mr. Walker was already here. Did you talk to the attorney already?
Yeah.
All right, I'll put you in the waiting room. Sir, with the iPhone, with the glasses, what's your name?
Richard Wright.
Are you just signing on for the first time?
No,
Did you talk to the attorney already?
no, I did not.
Did you already check in this morning?
No.
Okay, that's what I mean by sign in.
Oh,
This is the
no, I
first
did
time
not.
checking in
No.
at 10 o'clock this morning when your matter was scheduled for. 9 o'clock for trial. You know, if I was calling them in a timely fashion, we would have been found capious at this point in time, Mr. Wright. You know that, right?
No, I did not.
Well, you know now. So if you opt not to be here in the state of Michigan at the time that you do, you need to make sure that you wake up at the appropriate time to take care of your matters.
Okay.
I know a hotel back there. Okay. And the officer did check in for your matter, so I'm gonna place you into a breakout room so that you can talk to the attorney of record today. And,
Okay.
they'll be in there shortly to talk to you.
Okay.
On 21.
Again,
Officer O'Reilly?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Kevin Ward never checked in, so you're all set for today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Be safe out there, okay?
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day.
I know it, please.
I'm not giving y'all nothing.
Officer Thornton, did you need something?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I just came back. I'll go back to the breakout room.
No, you can stay in here, actually. I think that he's almost finished talking with people, and I'm gonna call your matter first. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. All right. We bring in folks. Please place yourself on mute until I'm ready to handle your matter for today.
Yes.
Please place yourself on mute until I'm ready to handle your matter for today.
Yeah, I'm right here.
You, Mr. Williams.
Yeah, I'm right here.
I know, but you're not the only person. You can't see, but I have
Could you see me?
24 people from my screen. I absolutely can see you. Okay.
Okay, then cool.
Attorney Balkman, you ready?
Your Honor, I need 2 minutes, please, and thank you.
Okay, let me know when you're ready, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I'm ready to proceed.
Of course, no problem. All right. Wednesday Ward.
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me, please. Now calling the matter of the people versus Wednesday Ward. This is ticket number SP 1378122. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, Florida in place of illegal occupation. Ticket number SP 1210513. Improper plates. Count 1. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 1378125. Failed to signal when leaving curb. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Ward, please state your name.
Wednesday Ward.
These matters set for trial, Judge. The defendant is going to waive his right to his trial and those matters in which the good officer has appeared for trial. Would you state your name and badge number, sir?
It's Officer Thornton, 4846.
Thank you and good morning. Your
I don't
Honor,
even recognize
the
that.
defendant's going to plead guilty here to one count of improper plate. The balance of the cases here will be dismissed by way of the plea agreement or by way of no complaining witness. I stipulate to probable cause as to each of the matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Wells, I know you don't know I can see you, but I can see you. And although I appreciate the grooming skills that are taking place right now, you got to stop, okay, Mr. Charles Wells, okay? All right, thank you. I appreciate that, okay? You look very nice, though. I see you have a collared shirt on. Mr. Ward, if you would like to take advantage of the offer, please raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of August 5th of 2021. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Joy Road and Bond Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have proper plates on it at the time?
No, ma'am. My tags was expired.
All right. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Thank you.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, the charge of improper plates. The remaining cases called on this record today will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30 days.
Okay. I have it due no later than September 29th, okay? September 29th is when it's due.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Okay, one question. Those points is not gonna be on there, right? From that failure.
The ticket that had the points, we took it out of default last time, and that officer didn't appear. So that's gonna be dismissed. So improper place doesn't have any points. So though
No,
you have
I'm
some
talking
older
about
tickets you never took care of.
I had another ticket with this too that said failure to turn, and it was 2 points. They put that on my record already. I didn't even go to court yet.
That will be re-abstracted, Mr. Ward, after today's proceeding.
Okay.
You talking about, hold on.
Yeah, that was one of the ones that was in default, Judge.
No.
The failing to turn on leaving the curb will now be re-abstracted as dismissed.
All right. He does have some other tickets. They weren't any of these tickets that went a 6 to 10 mile over that went into disposition and failure to. Oh, you know what? That might have been. No, it's not. It's a different one. It's an older case though.
All right, we've talked about that.
Oh, you talked about those? Okay, cool. All right then. All right. You're all set. I handled all the ones I called on the record for today, okay? So all the cases I called on the record today were taken care of, okay?
Okay.
You're all set, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
All right. You too.
All
Bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Be safe out there, officer, okay? All right.
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Williams, unmute. Herschel Williams, unmute yourself. I'm asking you to unmute. You see it? Unmute.
Yeah, I see you.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Herschel Lee Williams. This is ticket SP 1427812. One count illegal dumping. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Herschel Lee Williams.
Judge, the defendant is not guilty. He asked for a trial date, a waiver trial, please, by Zoom.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Not really, not all of it, but I said something, yes.
All right, if you want more time, Mr. Williams, you asked me about 5 times in the breakout room for someone to come and talk to you.
Say it again?
When we got there, I said you asked for help several times.
Yeah,
When you
but
got
nobody
there,
would come
asked
to the
your
phone.
questions. I
Nobody
know,
would-
Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, you can't see my screen right now. I'm trying to get you out of here because I
Okay,
have a ton of people on it, okay, Mr. Williams? You spend so much time with people,
Okay, then, I'm listening. I can't, the bus. Say it again. I'm sorry.
I have a ton of people on here today. So you gotta, he spoke to you about your case and about your rights.
Yes,
You came
yes,
to-
yes.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna set it for a bench trial on the date of November 8th, 2022 at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you have to zoom in on that day. November 8th, 2023. All right, 9 a.m. Bond set at $0. I'll see you then.
November the 23rd, right?
November the 8th.
Okay, November the 8th. Got you.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. All right. Juan Walker. Now, you don't know this attorney Baughman, but the officer, Linda Adams, is out on leave. So I gotta adjourn this. All right.
Darn
At least that ticket. You can ask for something on the other ticket.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Juan Miguel Walker. This is ticket 7260050. This is one count of driving while license suspended. Also calling ticket number SP 1040118. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Also calling ticket number SP 1040223, one count open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman, P55052 for the defendant. Mr. Walker, please state your full name.
Juan Walker.
Date and time for trial, Your Honor. I do not believe there's a complaining witness. I'm moving to dismiss each of the enumerated cases by without prejudice.
All right, I was reading my notes. You know, we already adjourned it from the other day.
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Do we have, I believe your amen corner, Mr. Walker. Keep my clothes, okay? I'm gonna read my notes. I figure things out, okay? All right, so Attorney Baughman, do you have a motion at this time?
Move it to dismiss without prejudice. The defendant has advised, he understands, and the prosecution understands that they can reissue the case if they feel it's warranted.
Yeah, at this time, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. It doesn't have a date. I just make a little record. It doesn't have a date. And she was supposed to be reevaluated on 8/10. I did not get any information from the officer saying anything further at this point in time. So if they would like to refile these matters, they can. At this point in time, I'm just going to dismiss them without prejudice, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, you're all set, Mr. Walker.
All right, thank you. Can I ask a question?
Yes, you can.
Is that all the tickets that I have in there?
Yes.
It should be, with the exception of the ones that are in disposition from 2016 that you need to pay.
Can you tell me how much those are?
Yes,
Must
I
have been.
can. So one of them is $216. That was a speeding ticket. 216. And the other one is a no registration. That's $180. That's $396. It looks like you're gonna owe it might go away though. I would check and see what reinstatement fees you might owe as well. It looks like you might owe 3 of them. That'll be $135. So total, it looks like $531, but you can go online and look. Right now you'll see some pending warrants, but those should be taken out. So that's what it looks like you owe right now, okay?
Okay, so I should just wait to see when them pending warrants fall off and then look.
Yeah, I'll give it a couple of days, okay? And then go look and see what you owe still, okay?
Okay,
All right, you're all set,
All right.
sir. Thank you.
thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Now, Maisha Ward.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Maisha Warren. This is ticket SP 1210852, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Maisha Warren.
So Ms. Warren has shown me valid documents, Your Honor. On my phone, one moment.
But while you're doing that, she also has count number 1, tinted windows, and count number 3, no valid registration certificate.
So let's start with the documents that she's provided, Your Honor. They are Michigan registration in her name, and that will be valid until May 14th of 2024, Your Honor. Also,
Okay.
I have seen her certificate of insurance. I'm looking at it now for a 2017 Kia. And that will not expire until May 12th of 2024, Your Honor. Or excuse me, yeah, 2024. As far as the tent, the defendant indicates that she is driving a completely different vehicle. I did see a picture of the vehicle. The tent is not even any tent in the front seats at all. So we would ask for compliance dismissal here and stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you, Your Honor, and the prosecutor.
All right, at this time, the court is going to, as an officer of the court, and seeing valid documents, accept what you said, I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date, and in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Yes.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Lorenzo White.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you. Good morning to you. Now calling the matter of people versus Lorenzo White. This is ticket SP 1456259. Count 1, failed to provide info regarding accident. Count 2, failed to report accident. Count 3, leave scene of accident, property damage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Please court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Lorenzo White.
Judge, there is a genuine and material issue of fact, such as the defendant is requiring or asking the court for a trial date. He's been advised and knows he has a right to a jury trial, Judge. He's going to waive that here today. He's asking for a bench trial by way of Zoom, please.
All right. If that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Baughman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial or bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set that for the date of November the 8th. November the 8th at 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. November
You're aware-
8th at 9 a.m.
November the 8th at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, okay? Thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
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 Attorney Baughman, I sent you a note in the mail, just so you know. Charles Paul Wells II.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Charles Paul Wells II. This is the ticket 808458. This is one count of operating while operating while intoxicated. Also for show cause, I have ticket SP 1443956. This is drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Charles Paul Wells II.
Mr. Wells is waiving any formal reading of more of the information and asking that a not guilty plea be entered and the matter be set for a pre-trial, Your Honor.
All right. All right, I'm gonna set these matters for a pre-trial on the date of October 23rd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom. Sir, because of the type of ticket it is, no driving unless you have a valid license or that paper license, and you must follow strictly to what it says. No drinking right now, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right, and you look very nice for court. Thank you for wearing a button-up shirt. I appreciate it, okay?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you. Bond will be at $0 personal. I'll see you October 23rd. You have a show cause appearance for the 27th of October. Don't come that day. Come on the October 23rd date, okay?
Okay, Your Honor. I'll be sure to do that.
Okay, all right, if there's nothing further, you're all set.
All right. Have a blessed day. Thank you.
You too, all right. Lester Warwick,
Yes.
good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Lester Lee Warwick. This is ticket SP 14275-241. This is one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number SP 1460677. No insurance misdemeanor. And with those tickets, I have a ticket in default. Let's see if it's here. All right, I'll call all the tickets in default. Ticket SP 1460674, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate, count 1. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket number SP 1427524, count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Lester Warwick.
Judge, would you set these matters for a trial date, please? The defendant is going to waive his right to any jury and asks to appear by Zoom.
All right. At this, sir, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, I do,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
absolutely. You can put your hand down, sir, okay? Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Hoffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
That is correct, sir. Yes, ma'am.
No problem. All right, I'm gonna set this. It's okay. Don't worry.
Okay. I'm a little nervous here. I'm a little
It's
nervous.
okay. I know. Listen. Deep breath, Mr. Warwick. I understand. All right, I'll set this matter for a bench trial on the date of November the 8th. November the 8th at 9 a.m. The same way you logged on to Zoom this morning, sir. That's what I want you to do on November the 8th, okay?
Okay. Thank
All
you.
right. 9 a.m. You're very welcome. Bond will be set at $0.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'll see you then, Mr. Warwick, okay?
All right. Have a nice day, dear.
You too. Thank
Yeah.
you. All right. George Williams.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning. Look at you with your button up on too. God bless. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus George Tyshawn Williams. This is ticket SP 138640001. One count drove on or over sidewalk or curb. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
George Tyshawn Williams.
Judge, Mr. Williams is continuing a not guilty plea. The matter is set for trial at 9 a.m. this morning. It is now 10:46. Would you consider a motion to dismiss? I do not believe Officer Randolph has checked in. Corporal Randolph.
Yes, at this time, it is 10:47 a.m. No officer having checked in this matter. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. All right, sir. Whether you did it or not, don't drive over sidewalks, please. All right, you're all set.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too, thanks.
I will, thank you. Jonathan Wimberly. Yes, you need a moment?
Forgive the interruption. Mr. Wright, I sent you a chat. Would you please respond?
No problem.
Thank you.
Good, Attorney Hoffman.
Are you talking about me, sir?
We're ready for you, Mr. Wright. Stand by.
Not you, Mr. Wright, not Beanie Man Wright.
Oh, okay.
Richard Wright.
Oh, I apologize.
Okay. No, it's okay. He said Mr. Wright, so you're not wrong, okay?
I like that.
All right, Jonathan Wimberly.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jonathan Jeremiah Wimberly. This is ticket number SP 456747. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket SP 1456777, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Jonathan Jeremiah Wembley.
So the judge, Your Honor, the defendant showed me his insurance is valid until September 29th of 2024, and his registration will be valid until October 14th of the same year, Your Honor. Finding the defendant to be in compliance, I would stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation for dismissal here, and thank you.
This time being an officer of the court having seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always stay up to date on everything that you do, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. All right, no problem. Have a good day.
You too.
Keenan Watkins, you can sign off, sir. Thank you. Keenan Watkins.
Yes, here.
All right. Put the camera down a little bit. I just see the top of your head right now. There you go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Keenan Reuben Watkins. This is ticket SP 1403606. 6, 1 count offer to engage. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Baughman, on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name, please?
Keon Ruben Watkins.
Judge, the matter was set for trial at 9. The complaining witness has not appeared. The defendant is continuing a not guilty plea. We're asking at this time for you to consider a motion to dismiss this case without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
At this time, the court, seeing that it's 10:50 a.m., no officer having signed in, court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, they can refile this if they want to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, no problem. Have a good day.
You too.
Victoria Wilson.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of Dick versus Victoria Lynette Wilson. This is ticket SP 1456066. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Why are you making that face, Ms. Wilson? I can't look up and see that. You all right. Count 3, 16 to 20 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. You're on mute, Attorney Baughman.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Victoria Lynette Wilson.
Judge, we just want to adjourn for a chance to do the better drivers, please. She didn't get a chance to do that before now, and I've instructed her how to complete that. She agrees. We just need the next date for her to come back with the certificate, please.
All right, Ms. Wilson, I'm gonna give you another date. Come back on October 23rd. October 23rd at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, now, I don't know why you did all that, trying to fix it. Your bond will be set at $0 personal. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, man.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Wright, were you able to talk to him, or are you gonna need some more time, Attorney Baughman?
He hasn't responded to my chat.
Okay, I'll skip over and go to the next one. Andre Wallace?
I did.
We're not talking about.
I need to get the officer back. He responded to me, I think. Or he responded. So I'll get the officer back. I'm good, Mr. Wallace, so we can have a trial. So I'll put him at the end. You hold tight, Mr. Wright. Now calling the matter of the people versus Andre Isaiah Wallace. This is ticket SP 1456535. Count 1, passing on the left. Count 2, violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman, on behalf of the defendant, sir, state your name.
Andre Isaiah Wallace.
Your Honor, Mr. Wallace has agreed to do better drivers. I did not get a chance to send him a link, so I am sending him a chat on the Zoom platform right now. Would you, sir, acknowledge that you received that? It's a link. Not a link, it's actually the web address.
Yes, I have it.
Can you screenshot that or otherwise take down that information? And that will, and then promise to take that better driver's class. And Judge, can we please have another date to come back?
Yes, I'm gonna set it for October the 23rd, at 9 a.m., okay, sir? That should give you plenty of time to take that, okay?
I'm writing it down. Now, once I complete the course and I pass, what happens to these matters? Will everything get dismissed or?
No, but what happens is that typically, and they can't guarantee, the attorney will talk to the counsel about it, and they will usually reduce it to something that doesn't have any points so that you don't get those points. That's typically what happens. Everything doesn't just get dismissed, but they'll reduce it, especially for the violation of the basic speed law and drove in an unsafe manner. These are allegations along with it. Everything's just an allegation, but that's one of the things that they'll just reduce to something that just won't give you points on your license.
Gotcha.
Right
So
now,
no points.
yeah, I was gonna say right now, you're looking at like Unsafe driving, I think it's 2 or 3 points. Passing on the left is a couple of points. Well, that's like 5 points right there, but then they'll at least try and find something where it's not a lot of points or no points at all typically.
Points altogether, no points all, or no points altogether.
Right, typically it's no points altogether, so.
Okay, so with no points, these will just show up on my record, but just won't be no points towards my license itself.
Right, it'll just show up on like driving, it'll be reduced or dismissed and just show up on the record as like dismissed. Like he pled to this instead, so.
Whatever it was amended to, okay.
Yep.
The reason I'm asking is I drive for Lyft and they do an annual background check with your license and I don't. So
They sure do.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, and a lot of times, remember to tell them that too, they'll try and do something that maybe won't abstract too. So that way, okay, but you gotta remember that, so take that and make sure you take the class. And then hopefully, most of the time they do, but I don't want to guarantee it, but most of the time they will give you a 0-point offense, okay?
Who is that?
The prosecutor, the city
Oh,
attorney,
okay.
I can't, so.
Oh, I got you.
Okay,
Okay.
all right,
I got
okay.
you. Counsel, do you mind providing in the chat your contact info? So once I complete and have a certificate, I can submit that to you.
It's gonna be to the court. You want me to give you the court phone number?
Oh.
I mean, court email, because he may not be the person who's on that day.
Oh,
So
got
I'll send
So-
it to you. You
Okay.
can send it directly to my courtroom.
Okay. And that's October 23rd. What time?
8:30 a.m.
8:30. All right.
Did you get that check that just popped up? Courtroom 337 at 36districtcourt.org.
Yep. I'm
I
on
sent it
screen.
to every.
CTRM 337.
Yep.
All right. Yep. I screenshotted it. So yes, I have it.
Okay. All right. That's where you send it after you complete the course. Okay.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
I'll see you October 23rd with that completed, okay?
Yes.
All right.
All right.
Have a good day.
All right. You too.
I will, thank you. Any man, right?
Here.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Beneman. Right, this is ticket SP 1456983. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket SP 1355978. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Wright, would you state your name?
Benjamin Wright.
I'm not sure if I heard the court pick up the additional 2 cases that weren't on the docket. There are 2 matters, one for expired plate, one for driving without a valid license.
Yes, because he said, hey, he has 5 total, right?
Right, 5 total. Okay.
I
So we
caught the other 2 on the record too. One is in default, one's in warrant status.
Thank you. So I move to set aside that default, Your Honor, and indicate there's a global resolution for all 5 of these cases. The defendant will waive his right to any further hearings and plead guilty to 1 count of failing to display a valid driver's license, a 0-point offense, and 1 count of expired plates. He's ready.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything beyond having the remainder of your cases dismissed in exchange for this plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters. You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May 27th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Honda vehicle in the area of Warmer and Curtis Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did your vehicle also have expired plates at that time, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
As to both counts, I'm satisfied. As to the matters being dismissed here, I stipulate to probable cause. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display and 1 count expired plates. The remaining ticket I'm going to dismiss in total. All right, sir, the fine for the expired plates is $145. Typically, you have 14 days to pay that, but I'm also going to charge you a fine of $200 on the other ticket. So that's a total of $345 altogether. How much time do you need to pay that? 60 or 90 days?
60.
60 is fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, October 31st, 2023 is when this is due, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, you are all set, okay, sir?
I do have one question.
Yes, sir.
Now, this does not pertain to any of the tickets for this exact city or district, but I believe I do have other tickets that I am unfortunately not, I don't know how to look them up to get those resolved as well.
Okay, so what you want to do is make an appointment with the Secretary of State's office, and then they can pull up every single ticket that you have in the state of Michigan at least, okay?
Okay.
And then that way you can be able to see every place that you have a ticket, and they'll help you. They'll try and help you try and figure out how to get your license, okay?
All right. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. All right, have a great rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Eric Winston.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now calling the matters of the people versus Eric Andreas Xavier Winston. This is ticket SP 1417988. Count 1, smoking marijuana within passenger area of motor vehicle upon public highway. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. And ticket SP 1418042, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, Mr. Winston?
Eric Winston.
So Mr. Winston is moving to dismiss this case for lack of a complaining witness. Trial was set at 9 a.m. It's now 11:03, Your Honor.
All right, the time is 11:03. No officers having appeared in these matters. Court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, they can refile this if they want to, but at this point in time, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, I actually do got a question. How would I know if they were to reopen it?
They will send you a notice in the mail if they reopen it.
Okay. All right.
Okay, you would be notified. The only reason why they may do it is because I think one of the tickets is an alcohol ticket. But other than that, but you will have notification. You wouldn't be caught off guard, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. Ms. Sandra Ware, press *6 on your phone for me, please.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sandra Yvonne Ware. This is ticket 1444591. 1 count vehicle insurance never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name?
Sandra Ware.
Judge, Ms. Ware is here for an arraignment on the bench warrant. She's waiving any formal reading of that warrant and asking that a not guilty plea be entered on her behalf here for that purpose of arraignment. The prosecutor and I have agreed that the case would be dismissed at this stage. For age, I stipulate to probable cause for that recommendation and thank you.
All right, so at this time, seeing that you and the prosecutor's office have reached an agreement. Court's gonna honor that. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ma'am, you're all set, but make sure when you have court hearings that you show up to the, on time, okay? As far as
Yes, most,
time,
most
okay?
definitely. Yes,
All right.
thank you, Your Honor. I have one question, please.
Yes, ma'am.
How can I retrieve a clearance for my license?
So once we put this into the system, it'll automatically grant clearance over for your license. You just have to make sure you don't owe a reinstatement fee. If you do, you'll need to pay that before the clearance will be sent over to them, okay?
Okay, so I need to wait. I should receive something in the mail.
No, you won't. So I would check back and give us until Monday. And I will check back and make sure that in the system that has been clear. I can't always see if it's reinstatement fees, but if after it's dismissed, then it'll send clearance letting them know that you're okay to apply for your license or renew your license, okay?
Okay, so I'll just call back. I'll call the courts on Monday, correct?
You can. You want the phone number?
Yes, please.
313 965
965 2293.
2293. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. J. Marie Williams. Al Marie Williams.
I'm here. It's Jamari.
Jamari. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jamari Williams. Ticket number SX 4208543. Count 2, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Williams. One more time, your name.
Jamari
Your last name too.
Williams. Jamari Williams.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant has presented to me what appears to be a valid and current driver's license. I've asked Madam Clerk to check that. If she can confirm that that's current and valid, I'm moving to dismiss for compliance, and I stipulate to probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
Thank you. Give me 1 second. All right, it is indeed valid, and he has a very short record. Thank you, Mr. Williams. Don't you make a long record, you hear me?
Yeah, I got you. You're welcome.
Right.
Thank you.
All right, so you're very welcome. At this time, the court is going to dismiss this. He does have a valid license in this. Sir, your other ticket for speed or going too fast got dismissed already. So make sure you slow down and don't be out here doing too much, okay? Yes, is the answer. Not
Yes.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Williams. Good luck to you.
You have a better one.
All right, I will. Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
All right. Marlo Womack.
Here.
Now calling the matter of people versus Marlo Womack Jr. This is ticket SP 1288779. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant, sir. State your name.
Marla Womack.
Yeah, this is a driver's license compliance case. I've seen his license, but I need the Madam Clerk to confirm whether it's valid today.
All right, give me 1 second.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Womack, you have a nice shirt on as well. Thank you. I see it's a nice button. Appreciate it. Look at that. I got a whole smile. Okay. Suspended. Let's see. Let's see what's suspended. It looked like it got suspended in August 9th because of some insurance in Warren, 37th District Court. You take care of that, Mr. Womack?
Yeah, I told him I just had switched the insurance, so it wasn't gonna pop up in the system, but he ain't believe me.
Right, but so now you have a ticket that suspended your license.
So, Your Honor, would you, because the defendant is here for arraignment, enter a not guilty plea, allow him to waive any more formal reading of the information or warrant, set the matter for a pre-trial, please, and give him some time to get your driver's license back in order, sir? It doesn't sound like there's very much impeding your progress. Contact Warren before you come back, all right?
37th District Court, okay, you got the ticket on, looks like August. No, they did it on, they violated it August 9th, okay? So you need to go to them and find out what happened, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll set this for a date of October 23rd, 2023. Hopefully that gives you plenty of time to figure this out so you can come back and it'll be unsuspended, okay?
Okay.
All right, I'll set your bond at $0, okay? Go
Okay.
handle that matter on Warren.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set. All right. Nakia Wells?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, turn on your camera for me.
Okay.
Now calling them. Doing
I'm
too
so
much.
sorry.
I know. Now calling the matter of People versus Nakia Wells. This is ticket SP 1379516, count 1. No insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
Nakia Wells.
Judge, the defendant's here for an arraignment, so please enter a not guilty plea as she waives any more formal reading of the information, complaint, or warrant. And she has shown me a copy of her current and valid insurance, Judge. It will expire on September 10th of next month. But it is current and valid. We ask for a dismissal here based on that compliance and stipulate to probable cause. Thank you.
All right, this time, being an officer of the court, having seen valid documentation, the court's going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Wells, next time
Yes.
you have a court hearing, you need to make sure you're prepared to wait for that court hearing and don't set a whole bunch of different appointments that morning, okay?
Yes, I didn't think that I would still be on here at this time.
I know, it takes a while.
I'm sorry
so
about that.
We don't think that we'll be on here, but you just always got to be ready, okay?
Yes,
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Ms. Wells, okay?
yes.
All right, have a good day.
You too, thank you.
I will, you're welcome.
Oh my God.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine, nigga.
I'm good, and you? Attorney Snyder is on here now. Attorney Baldwin, if you want to talk to her about this
I'm
case.
just putting together a text message. I just
Yep.
speak
Yeah,
to her.
okay.
Your Honor, I know we're off the record. I believe we're off the record. I think this is our last case. I texted the officer and I texted my coworkers to send him in if they have him. They haven't gotten a hold of him. I believe the defendant is claiming ID theft and he also might be in compliance. We just can't confirm that. So I'm willing to just dismiss on my own motion with stipulation of probable cause, and we can let him go today.
So stipulated. Thank you for the recommendation, prosecutor. Thank you, Your Honor. Okay.
Okay, let's call it for the record. Thank you. Well, one of the officers didn't show up, so for that. Now calling the matters of People versus Richard. All right, this is ticket V501589. This is selling used vehicles without a license. Also calling ticket SP1312522. Count 1, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the People, P80322.
May it please the court. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
Right.
Judge, we're going to stipulate to dismiss the instant cases without prejudice, and I'm stipulating the probable cause for the stop in each of these cases.
All right. At this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Mr. Wright, it sounds like there's an identity issue. I hope you flagged all of your accounts so that way no one can get your information, okay?
Yes, I was here before and they dismissed one case before because of the same stuff. They broke up, made come here again.
Okay, well, hopefully now you don't get any more tickets because it's been flagged appropriately and now they'll ask additional questions if you get stopped, okay?
Okay,
All right, if there's nothing further, those cases are dismissed, okay?
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.